Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Perplexity account. So if you're on a free plan and you want to upgrade, all you have to do is look towards the lower left hand side and you'll find upgrade right there on the left side. Now you can choose whether or not you want to continue with the personal, or if you want to get business, you can switch to the business tab and you can continue with the enterprise pro there. And here you can see the different options that you have, or let's say the features that you get with the business comparing to the pro. Now you have two professional accounts here that you can upgrade to. You have the pro and you have the max, and you can compare both of them to see. You might also want to compare the max comparing to the business just to see if it makes sense for you. Just to see if it makes sense for you that you want to switch from the max to the business, right? So you will see right there what you prefer. Once you're ready, all you have to do, guys, is simply click on, for example, get pro. Here you can come here and you can basically fill in your billing details here, and you will be able to quickly subscribe to it. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and fill in all of your details here, your credit card details, your billing information, and on the right hand side you can see how much it will cost, some of the features there, and you can see that if you have, for example, a coupon code, you can simply enter your discount code there, and here you're seeing you're paying $4.20 VAT. So if you have your own business and you're going to use this as a business, you might want to claim back some VAT right there so that you can reduce the fee to just $20 per month. But that's it, guys. Once you upgrade, you have your account ready and your subscription will be ready to go, and you can quickly start using Perplexity with that paid version. And that's it.